Hey everyone, welcome back. And as you can see from the title, today we're going to be trying out some more eco-friendly products, and today we're going to be trying the ones from Reusable Living. So I'm going to be trying out their products today, so join me. So today we're going to be looking at the reusable cleaning products. I reached out to this company on Instagram and they sent these to me. Thank you so much. So I'm going to be showing you and I'm going to be unboxing the products and showing you one of the products today, and then next week I'm going to dive in deep on the other products. So can't find my opening thing, so I'm just going to use the scissors. So this is from Reusable Living. I think it's Reusable Living or Reusable. Apologize if I'm not pronouncing it correctly, but I will put the description. I'll put the link to their Instagram page on the description bar below. I think this is the bottle. This is the glass. And this is for the bath. Open this up. Oh, it's damaged. Oh dear. Probably got damaged in the process of it being delivered, because it's just the box that just got smashed, which is a shame really, but I hope the product is safe. It didn't damage anything in the process. So I'm just going to move everything to the side. I want to open up the boxes and see what the refillable bottles look like. I'm quite excited to see, because I love the design on the box. It looks like it's made out of glass. I don't know, I'm excited, but it's not as heavy actually. So anyway, let me stop talking. Let's open it up. Clean up the earth is the only home we have. I'm going to open up. Okay, so it says spray it, fill it, spray it, drop it. Non-toxic, bleach and vegan. And thank you. And I'm guessing this is this is their cloth. Oh, it feels nice and soft. I love the color. It's really nice and soft. And these are the tablets, I'm guessing. So they're all written for what they are. So this is a multi-purpose cleaner. And I also love the fact that all of these are actual cleaning products. They've just replaced the big bottles that we would be purchasing from the shop, and put it into a little tablet, which is absolutely fantastic. Like, a tablet is now replacing the big bottle that I'd have to purchase from the store. So I think that's really awesome. I can't wait to try these out. Put that one to the side, and I'm going to open this. So this is the box. Oh, I love the design already. Fab. So it's a glass cleaner, and this is plastic. So this is a plastic bottle, but it looks like glass. And this is the broken one. So this one is, I'm not sure what that one is for. So it's written actually on the bottle. So this is for a multi-purpose cleaner. Fab. I absolutely love the design. This one's for bath. So I'm now going to go back to the tablets and see which tablet is for what, and then I'm going to put it inside the bottle. I'm actually thinking I want to try out their multi-purpose cleaner. I love that they actually wrote multi-purpose cleaner on the little packet. So I'm going to go with that. So I'm going to take out the blue one, which is the glass. Also, this one's the glass cleaner. This one's the bathroom, and this is the multi-purpose one. They've also written on the packet, do not eat, so it's not for consumption. But I'm actually looking for the instructions. Instructions are actually on the back of the box. So place one of the environmentally friendly cleaning tablets into your bottle. Fill your bottle halfway with water, with tap water, and let the tablet dissolve and fill your bottle to the neckline. Replace the nozzle head and enjoy. Product used for the bathroom cleaner, multi-surface cleaner, and glass cleaner. So very straightforward and simple. Okay, the tablet. I wish you could see it, it's actually fizzing up. So I'm actually mind blown that this little tablet is actually a cleaning product, because we're so used to purchasing multi-purpose cleaner, a big massive jug, but this is very environmentally friendly and less space, so awesome. So I'm now going to try it out on different surfaces around the house. My toddler left some marks, I think some jam on my radiator, so I'm going to try it out on that. I want to see how well it works on like stuff like this. So what I've realized is that most eco products don't create a foam or bubble up when you spray them, which I think is also okay as long as it's working. And as we can see right now, it is working. It's doing a great job. So that's off. I'm going to try it on a different surface. So I'm going to do it on the inner side of my door. So this side of the door. This is what it looks like. So what I'm wanting to do is test it out on this surface because it's got a bit of paint on it. I'm not sure when the last time I cleaned that part of the door was. As you can see how dirty it looks. Okay. So I'm just going to spray it on there. I know it's got a bit of paint on it, but I just want to see how well it works really on that type of surface. And what I've realized, it doesn't actually have a strong scent. Like, it's like as if I'm spraying water and there's literally nothing that's strong or, you know, overpowering. It's just very subtle, and yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Cleaning power at the moment, it's doing a really good job. It's already just wiping, like using my microfiber cloth is literally all just coming off. So really pleased with that as well. I can't really fault it. And multi-purpose cleaner is working really well. And I love the continuous mist. It's like you spray once, then it just continues the spray. I don't know how to describe it, but great. I love that. I love the bottle. And yeah, look at the progress, guys. It's working. Okay, so this is what the door looks like now. I love that. It's done a really good job. Yes, I can see a little bit of the paint has come off, but that's because of my microfiber cloth and me scrubbing. But great job overall. I'm really impressed with that. So I'm going to try it on a different surface now. This is the final surface. I want to see if it leaves any streaks on like black surfaces. So I'm using the multi-purpose cleaner again, and this time on top of this speaker. So I'm going to actually spray it on top of the speaker, and I'm going to wipe it off because I just want to make sure it doesn't leave any streaks or any marks or any residue. But yeah. I'm so happy with this. I'm really glad that I reached out to this company and they sent me these, so I really appreciate it. Look forward to the next video next week, guys. I'm going to be looking more into their products, but overall, love the multi-purpose cleaner. It's left no residue. So this is their Instagram page. If you just go on Instagram, and it also links you to their website, and on there you'll find out more information about the company and also about their cleaning bundles of how many products that they sell. So if you could quickly go and have a look there if you're interested in any of their products. But next week I will do, a review on all the other products that I got, so the glass cleaner and also the bathroom cleaner. So look forward to that. But in the meantime, you can definitely go check out their website or their Instagram page and look at their products. So see you guys next week. You have a lovely day, and bye.